Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So in this video we will going to publish our new app, that is a task application. So here is a task application logo and everything here. So this app we will going to publish. So first we will going to do. So this is our app and we have taken all the screenshot and everything. This is the app information. Okay, so let's start, and it is a new console. So here we require the 20 testers also, and I'm so sorry for the bad clarity of this. Soon we will going to move to our office, so then it will be going to be fine. So right now this is the thing. So let's publish our app. Okay, create a new app, and here we'll copy and paste our app name, that is Pocket Money, and it's a app, it's a free. Confirm and create an app, and it's been loading here. It's take time. Okay, after that it has been refreshed, and it has been like a 20 tester account. So sorry, 12 tester account. So here is a finished up your settings. First we need to fill this private policy here. You need to copy the policy here, copy, paste, and next. Just go back, app access. Yes, our app has a access to logging here. So just click on access here information. Logging info I will write here @gmail.com, and username also is the same username here. So password, here is the login info of app, user ID, password, so no more other information we required here, just add it here. So whenever the Google will going to log in your app, and they will going to see the login credential here, and just save it, and just go back again, and ads. Yes, of course it's a task application, so we will make the revenue from the ads only. Just click in S, content writing, start the question, and just it's a all app. I agree. Just next. No, just see all things. If it is anything is there, just click in as. If it is not, just save it as no. It's better to keep it as a no only. Mostly this violin kind of a things, it's come to under game only. Then you have to see what kind of a things are there in that. Then targeting audience 18 plus. Next, save it. Data safety, start it. Next, yes, we require we will take the data of the user. So yes, user and password we will going to take, and here you need to paste your policy link here, and username password only we will going to create. And it's asking, it's a optional, these things you maybe see, but here is given the optional. Which are the optional things are there, just leave it off. It's nothing a big thing to do that. Just next. And as our app has a username, ID, password, and they will going to take the personal information like name, email ID, and phone number. These things we will going to require. So apart from that, nothing we will going to take. So app information we need, crashing report, diagnostic report, and device ID. Next, and we need to fill this form. Name, yes, we collect the name. No, but we won't collect and share it for those things. Advertisement, and save it. If you are sharing the data and what kind of data you are sharing, then you have to click on a sharing only. But we are not sharing any data, just we have been collecting username and password, because user can able to log in the account. So that's the reason we have been collecting that. In upcoming video I will explain each and everything in the detailed steps, so you can able to understand how you can able to do it. what kind of a policy for what use it will be going to come. So I will show you in upcoming videos that also. If you feel that any particular thing you want to know about the Google Play console, just comment us, so we will going to make. And upcoming videos, what who are giving the comments on any particular thing, on based on that only we will going to make a videos. So please, whatever the information you required and whatever the problems you have been facing, just let us know. We will going to make on that only videos. Just comment on the videos and tell me this problem I'm getting, please make a video on that, so we will going to make a video. Government app, no, save it. Even if you are facing any code problems also, just write it there, we will going to make a videos on that. We are not giving any financial information here, so just next, save it, go back. We are not giving any health information like that, so it's not providing any health information here. Just go back and app category. So our category comes into so as I will keep that in financial only, in finance only I will keep it. Tax I will just clip as finance only, and entertainment also I will take finance, movies, prank, personal follow. It's up to you. What are the tags you want to click it? It's up to you. And email ID, copy paste, save it. Okay, this part is done. Just go now back to app and open. Now we need to add our app information, everything. So I have been copied here all the information. Complete the task and reward it we prefer. I will just copy here, and here full description. First I will copy this one. Full description, welcome to the Pocket Money, and an app logo. Yesterday we have been published this game, so that's the thing. It's been showing to you all. First logo, I think I selected the wrong video, wrong image, but it is right. Sorry, I have so many logos, so that's the reason I've been just getting a confused here. You can upload up to eight images here. Oh, this images size is been not fixing here, so it's fine. I will try to upload this, whether it's come or not. Okay, then save it. Just go back again. So our whatever the description is still in the under review. So while it's under review, we are going to complete our next step. As this is a new account, so we require 20 testers here. So just first we select all the countries here. First select the countries, add all the countries, save it, then select a testers. We need to add a testers. I will write it like a tester, upload the CSV file, who are require the 20 tester service, let us know. We will provide the 20 tester service on the cheapest price, and we make sure that it will be all your apps will be go live, and we give the backend support also. Okay, this section also completed. Now release our application now. So just upload it. Okay, we the last we try to see have been built new abb file. So let's open the file. So here is abb file. So here I will going to copy the text here. So here you need to paste your text and wait for a couple of minutes. So just do it next, and here is showing only one warning is fine. Just do it next, save it, go on overview, and there is a one more error. It will going to show this is the error. Yes, it's content the ads. Yes, advertisement, and save it. Just go on overview. Let's send for the changes for a review. So now we have been published our app, so it will going to review like a couple of minutes, or by the evening it will be going to be activated. Then we will going to get it for closer testers. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any you require any 20 tester services or anything, let us know. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.